Tuloy ako likaw, tako ah. Okay. Mga high-tech ng mga sakyan ng mga kasama ko eh. Ako na lang ang pinakaluma.
Naka-service pa. Yung oras flight yaw.
Thank you.
Ingat. See you.
Labis. Kain muna tayo ng ano. French fries. Medyo gutom na eh. Habang naghihintay. Mahaba-habang lakaran. Vancouver Airport. Ito, drive ko na yata itong service ko. Drive ko na ito para hindi ako maglakad. Park lang naman dito eh.
It's not we are over.
Just put 20, ano, yeah.
With Tita's wayer, can you tell her to only limit to 20?
I know.
Wait, can you like remind me all of this though?
Kain muna at nagugutom na. Maghanap mo ng makakainan. Vancouver Airport.
Wait, so what time is your guys' flight?
Yeah, see you na ko. Okay, bye.
Take care of ate, ha?
Okay.
Yes, the company's here.
Oh, hi, Captain.
Oh, Kapsi.
You guys.
Hello, Kapsi.
She's looking at me.
Tikman natin. Kain mo tayo. Noodles sa akin, kaya lutuin mo na ng konti.
And this is Antoinette Juan, your flight person. Our flying time is 13 hours, 14 minutes. In a short while, we will be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Boeing 777, in accordance with Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations. We will be taking the cabin light.
Dinner.
Securely fastened. Cabin crew landing station. Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 7:10 in the morning and the ground temperature is 27 degrees Celsius or 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning until we receive clearance to do so.
Hi.
Thank you. Morning.
Kasi
Traffic.
lalagyan ko yan ng pera mga worth 10,000 or 12,000.
Sali ako.
Kaya magsiputok. Jidad tuma, handa nga putputokan, nagpidot na lang na tumayab yung papel, di ba? So, kas jay damot nga agpuyot, ay di damot nga agpidot. Ay, namayat to. Jay tayo balay nga New Year. Jay ang aghanda.
Space Giant, puro appliances.
No, yarwar. Ipagkwanti balon.
Di garahe.
Garahe.
Hindi tapa kita kay arabi din jay sao. Jay pasimpak amin na yan.
O, di ba?
Ano to? Brands na to. Oh. Nagutom ng mga sumalubong. Si Jaden hindi na nag-video ba yun? Wala ka ng pang-content nila. Ayun tayo ulit. Chicken ulit. Chicken.
Sige, bye-bye.
Oh, kakakain nyo lang. Kakain ulit kayo. Oh.
Malamig na siya, malamig na.
Stop over muna. Oh.
Paray.
Larga ulit. Ano, kakakain lang ng kumakain ulit sila. Oh.
Maanghang, guys. Manghang, no? Pero masarap yan.
Manghang daw guys.
Thank you.